excellent choice for rare coins and precious metals, including Silver Eagles. Did you know that Silver Eagles are backed by the government and issued direct from the U.S. Mint? Thanks to a new state law, you won't have to pay a dime in sales tax. That's right. Purchase your Silver Eagles from DSS Quantum Bullion at only $3.75 over spot premium with no sales tax. Visit DSS at 13th and Center or 168th West Center and see why silver is one of the most undervalued assets in recent history. Visit DSSQuantumBullion.com.
Hi, I'm Tony Caputo with Marco Automotive Group. Like the Huskers, great teams start with great athletes. Meet our great athletes. We've got BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Mini Cooper. Combine that with empowered, passionate people, and that gives you the ultimate automotive campus. Stop by today at 102nd and Dodge Street or visit us online at marcoomaha.com.
I want to thank Marco Automotive Group as well as Intertech Collision Center for their sponsorship of the Big Red Breakfast. Back again next Friday. Quick look at the digest. December corn a quarter higher, soybeans up 3, and December Chicago wheat down 3 1/4. And we still need to get trade going in the feedlots. Not much has been done yet this week in terms of cattle sales. News is next.
Nebraska is a great place to live and raise a family, and Lee Terry's working hard to keep it that way. Lee Terry passed a law that empowered a neighborhood activist to start a new radio station in North Omaha, giving voice to those working hard to stop street violence.
My name is Renee King Jr., and I'm the CEO of Omaha Community Broadcast. Violence is everywhere in this community. Lee Terry wrote the local community radio act. This legislation is going to help everything from A to Z because we have a voice now. One of the great opportunities is going to automatically decrease crime. That's what Lee Terry has done. One opportunity now to help tens of thousands of people now. From my heart, I want to thank Lee Terry for supporting North Omaha.
With all that's going on around here, it's comforting to know Lee Terry's